Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about related in Power BI text. So how we can use related. Related is used for like two tables here, like we have two tables here, product and sales. So we have uploaded that. So like if we will see the data in our product table, so in product table we have product SKU number, like product name, product cost, and if we will go to this side and move to that side, so we will find more detail there. So product price is there also, and like if you will go to the sales table, we will find out here order quantity there. And if you want to multiply like these two tables, so we need to have some relation with them. So if we will go to the models, so we have sales and product, and the relation with them is with this product key. And if you want to create order total sales, like if you want to find out what is the total sales from sales and product, and we want to make that, so how we can make that? So we go to here in our report and just click on this product key, and then I will create a new measure here, and I will just open this so that you will understand it better. A new measure, I will give this measure a name. Again I have to create it again, so it will open this and give it a name sales. I will give this a name total sales equal to, and like if we are using, so we have to use the iteration SUMX function. And first we will take our sales table, so I will type here sales, and from sales we will find out whatever is the sales item here. So if I will just click over sales here, so I will just want to show you, so order quantity, we have to take order quantity from sales table here. So I will just type comma, and then I will type sales, and I will take sales quantity, order quantity here, and just multiply it. Then I will type this related function here, and this function will help you out to find it product from another table, and the related table here is your product. I am practically making this measure in our product key, so I have to relate our sales table with product, and then I will go there in product price and just click this. Now we have a total sales here, so if I will put a card here and put total sales, so we can get the total sales here. And beside that, if I will create a table, and this table I want to take our product, what we will take our order date, and beside that, what next we will say, we will take our total sales there. So it will show us sales wise whatever sales we have made according to device, and if we want to remove this month, a quarter or a year, we can get the total sales here. So this is how we will create a relation between two tables. So like we need to have some common key between them, and then we can create a relation and use them. So that's all in this video.